Hey guys, so today we are at this gazebo at this beautiful park. It's a concrete gazebo, and we're going to look at this brand new product by ZeboZap. It's called the Full Motion Outdoor Gazebo TV Mount. This TV mount is specially made for a gazebo, meant to be placed on pillars. Alright, it's a pillar TV mount, and you don't have to drill to mount your TV at your pillar. We're going to look at the full potential of this TV mount right here, and you are going to tell me how good this TV mount is. Right, let's start mounting our TV. Alright, we're going to first look at the things that are included in this TV mount. So let me just open this. Alright, so yeah, there you go. First things, the instruction manual, right, for the full motion outdoor gazebo TV mount from ZeboZap, and you have all the instructions included here. And then we have two small boxes right here. The first box, you have all the fittings, right, the screws and whatever needed, the spacers, washers intended to mount this TV. Right, next, inside here you have a very small wrench, and it looks really cute, and you have a axe key and also some other fittings for this mount. So let me just place it here and here, okay, and this one, okay. And then on the other box you have the straps and also the ratchet. So the straps and ratchets are already built in, so you don't have any extra things. You just have to mount this on the pillar. Next, yeah, you have something here also, okay, another fitting. Alright, perhaps this goes with the main TV mount. And then after that we also have let me just take this out, this, and this is the main TV mount, right? Looks really neat. Okay, the base up bracket is already attached to the TV mount. Alright, and then you have the main pillar unit. This looks really sturdy. It's made out of very good material, steel material. Alright, this TV mount is outdoor rated, so you could leave it on at your gazebo in harsh weathers. Alright, the first thing that you must do is you have to take this main pillar unit out, and also the straps. I'm gonna remove the rubber bands, and now you have the straps, and you gotta place these straps onto the main pillar unit. Okay, there is already this holes, okay, holes here. So what you do is you could place it either way, either from the left or from the right. Make sure the strap is straight, and then you just fix it in, right? So there is this circle right here. Okay, make sure the circle faces the front part of the pillar unit, right? So in here and out through the front, and in again and out here, and just pull this right till almost the end. Right, so there you go. First one's done. Now the second one, the bottom one. So I'm gonna fix this to the pillar right now. So what you do is make sure this arrow is pointing up and fix it to the pillar. Alright, if you have a person to help you, it'll be better. If not, I'm gonna do this alone. I think I can do it. Alright, pull this ratchet. So I've done placing this part right here. Okay, you just insert the strap into the ratchet, and then next I'm going to place the bottom strap. You pull this to almost the same position as the top strap, right? And what you do here is, okay, there's this hole on this ratchet. Okay, you just gotta place this circle through the hole. Okay, make sure it faces the front. Make sure it is straight, right? It's not so straight. Almost. All right, it's better now. Okay, make sure the pillar unit is straight, and then you just do this. There you go. So done placing the main pillar unit. Let's go to the next step. For the next step, you gotta take this unit right here. Right, there's this cover. Right, remove this cover first, and you're gonna place this unit onto the mount. Right, as you can see here, there is also an arrow here. Okay, make sure it points up, and just insert the mount to the ready-made screws right here on the main pillar unit. Yeah, it just goes in through, and then we're going to fasten the bolts right here. So as I said earlier, everything is given. These are the bolts, and this is the mini wrench given together with this set. So I'm going to place the bolts onto the screws now. Okay, there are 3 bolts. Hold on, and just using my hand for now, and then you use this wrench, this mini wrench, tighten the bolt. So tighten here. Okay, next there are these fittings given together with the mount, right? These fittings right here. So we're going to place these fittings onto the mount right here. Okay, just slide it in. There is this area where you can slide it in. Make sure it's secured. And this part right here, it's the middle one. Okay, now it's secured, and also the bottom one. This makes the mount look a little bit more nice and looks more aesthetic, right? So there you go. So as you can see here, the actual TV bracket is already placed on the mount. Right, so there is this very simple mechanism right here that allows you to remove this. You just unscrew this one. Right, let me show you a closer look of this. Okay, so there's this screws, so you just gotta unscrew it. You don't have to even use a screwdriver or a spanner or anything, right? Just unscrew the bottom one. Okay, remove the washer, don't lose them, and just pull it out like that. Okay, so there are holes up here. Make sure that you can pull this thing out easily, right? Alright, so I have this 32-inch TV right here. It is a LED TV, and the VESA is kind of odd, right? It has a 75 by 200 VESA. So this TV mount VESA sizes. Alright, you can still fix this TV this way, right? So let me just show you. Okay, let me just use my hand first. Fix some of the screws onto the TV VESA, right? Give me a minute. After placing the TV bracket to the back of the TV, as you can see here, so this has a very odd VESA hole, right? It's okay, I'm just going to show you. Okay, what you do is align the screws back to the mount and place the top one first, and place the bottom one, and remember this, right? The screws from just now, you just replace the screws, and you don't have to even use a screwdriver for this. That's the best thing, you know. All the tools are given. You're going to only use a Phillips screwdriver to place this at the back of your TV. Alright, so tighten this. Okay, tighten all three. This one, alright. Tighten this, and the last one here. Just use your hand. Okay, so now it's tight. Okay, the TV is mounted, and let's go to the next step. Alright, there's also this fitting right here. Okay, this is actually to hide your wire. Alright, the TV wire. Okay, this one, you can see the holes here. You just place in your wires under here. I'm just going to spin the wire a bit so that it looks a little bit more neat. Okay, and place the wire inside, place them in and into the holes. So now your wires are all inside here, and then you can run the wire here and place it to a power socket. So we are done fixing the mount. Right, this mount, it's a full motion mount, and you could even tilt the TV right up and down, and you could adjust the tightness right here. You use your hand, or also the hex key that's already been given to you.